Methadone. And you know how these mixtape upon all mixtape. Team More Production. Blazing. Methadone, the energy drink, sip on me. I leave my life going deep down if I meet, and I'm so well. When the flow comes up, the steps on your flows like a step, so I'm high, I'm more well. See them now, they're the beautiful. To the walls and them say yes, with a sign like night air on your broad chest. So nigga, I'm on one cause I'm straight. Impatient, I don't walk minds like fate. Fishing from the nets like Yahoo boys, I didn't connect, showing hands in the air. Based on stress, die hard. Student at the corners like fools, and I set like a spider with bigger that music. Cypress in the biggest six, got a house with it. My bias, I'm talking from the south. Here we go, nightmares, daydream for them haters. If I'm running a point, then I the heat's ass. For the rhyme shines like I go with eyes, and the reason for the lightning, I go with the stars. You can see the way they all burning down to the beat. I didn't talk because now me be the eyes of the street. Say come, let the kids eat it like the skits.
Bros, what's it?
Boy, you know now, Methadone on the beat.
What's it?
Man. Now it's my dream, my life, my culture, my race, my dance on a high stick, moonwalking on bricks, back riding projects.
Fuck shit, man, this bitch number is not going, man.
The morning sun, man, I'm blessed like that. A black and white program, woman talent man. I speak, get better for the match when I like six, cause I run track.
Bros, you the fat person. What's wrong with you, man? Look at his stats, man. And to talk to somebody like him, man. I was this fool, man. And I've been turning around looking for a bitch, man. I didn't see bitch. Look at his stat, standing on the street, man. No work, nothing. What's wrong with you, man? You want me to call the police, man? Are you mad, man? Look at talk of you, man. Fuck, can I talk to somebody like you, man? I'm looking for somebody.
Bros, that question,
you, man. You need problem, man.
No, I don't need problem.
Man, I finally got the fucking address, man.
Hey, baby, welcome.
I'm so love, man. I've been walking around looking for you, man. Babe, turn around. Oh my God, man, baby, look good.
Welcome.
Nice, what's up?
Sit down.
How you doing, man?
Welcome, my brother. Sit down. Brother. Brother,
What nice.
come and see my boyfriend.
Man. What's up? This is
Brother, come now. Come and see my boyfriend. What?
You, man.
No, bros.
How are you, man?
Bro,
So,
shake me first now.
in my house, man. You came to look for my sister, man.
Yes, now, brother, he's my boyfriend.
Eh?
Bros, I beg your sister and my friend. I won't take and go.
Fuck shit, man.
Karaoke nightclub, I beg, bros.
Karaoke nightclub.
Yes, brother.
You see, I'm getting ready. That is where I'm taking her to now, man.
No, brother, I'm going with my boyfriend.
Desuwa.
Sir.
Desuwa.
Brother.
Anawelele, man.
Yes, it's my boyfriend.
Desuwa.
Sir.
As for you, before I go inside and come back, get out of my house, man. You this street boy, man.
Brother.
Bros,
Why now?
bros,
Fuck
I
shit,
won't take
man.
this matter easy now, bros.
I said, get out of my house, man.
Brother. No, just go. Go. But I don't like what you are doing, no. I don't like it.
Desuwa.
Brother.
But allow man. Desuwa. But allow man.
Oh God. When I want man.
One woman. Will you shut quiet there? Will you quiet there? So will you say that all those boys will just come and start to come Amen. You know what that boy do me for? Oh, my sister, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Not everybody you follow. All the people when they organize them, I know all of them. I know their name. What they do you?
Okay, go and show me now.
I'm telling you, all of we are going there now. See one of them, Bros. Bros, Abba. You not recognize me as best again.
Wait, I see you.
That show, not when they organize them.
Yeah.
The show when they
Yeah, it's Torino. Yes.
What I tell you? What I tell you?
Your sister.
She's my sister. No, the one part. You come with. I don't know where you come from. Say you want to come the show.
Brother, it's my boyfriend now.
Will you go ahead? I'm not your senior brother. Now me they tell you say.
Yeah.
Hey, bros, how this show want be? I don't try.
It's going to be perfect. Perfect.
I know you are trusting.
Yes.
So, bros, that show. I want to be that day when Torino one laugh. The time when you go put that show, I don't understand that. What do you make when I go put this kind of powerful show for 7? When big boys like us never wake up.
Yes. This time was planned so that everybody, both the kids, the women, the men, the youth, everybody will be chance to attend the show.
But bros, you know, say now for this Torino, now our hobby, so they come say we'll put time 9.
Exactly, that is what we are trying to correct. Okay. We need to carry the married men and the married women along at the same time.
Okay.
Yes.
Not true.
My brother, catch up.
Okay, bro, you they come with us there.
Exactly.
They're teaching all of them there.
Everybody there.
Let's go. All right, bros, it go be.
I wanna rock you today.